I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
When you get the pleasure of cooking for amazing rock stars, look at them all. Jerry's still got his freaking face in it. He hasn't stopped eating.
He's not even looking up. What are you doing?
Dude, I'm cooking for Jesse with Happy Place Camping.
What?
Have you not seen that man eat? I mean...
Do you really think we're gonna need all... Oh, we're gonna need more and more?
Have you seen this man eat?
I didn't get to record the weaving, but how fun was that?
I don't know, you did it.
I'm talking about putting the weaved bacon actually on the pork. This is dedication right here. The two cooks cooking under the awning in the rain. Will it work? Will he pass the test? Will he please this one? Little biscuits. They're puffing. They're puffing. There's a puffing more than there's a puffing. So we're gonna have an experimental breakfast. Experimental breakfast in the rain.
What better time to experiment with breakfast than with friends?
How are things going?
Yeah, they're doing pretty good. I mean, continual flip and turn and stir and flip and turn and stir and keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it moving.
Woo! Look at them golden brown.
Ooh, doggy.
Nice.
Starts trying. That'll be the truth.
How's the biscuit?
It's actually not bad.
You want to try the gravy?
Here, dip it in the gravy.
I think that's like lava gravy right now.
Oh, yeah.
I have to let that cool off for a second. Because I do want to taste the rest of the food.
Overrated.
Yeah. Nice.
Yep. Gravy's done. I just kept it on low for we don't have cold gravy. Yeah, we can't have that. I already got dressed in 17 seconds and ran over here. Oh yeah, my shorts. Almost came off.
Was it fun?
Oh yeah.
You jump up like you done lost your mind.
Boy, look at that bad boy.
Man, what did you get?
Oh my
What
Lord.
is that?
That is the largest stick figure I've ever seen in my entire life. I think he got loose out there, and look at that. I had to save him.
I don't think there's any meat on them bones.